town, Craig, to go and link up with Heidelberg and their food security program to go and harvest some herring eggs this morning. So get back to you. We got another like hour of driving or so, but give you guys updates, and maybe when it's a little lighter I'll show some of the scenery. But we're heading to town to go get some herring eggs for the community. The crew ready. I'm going to have some herring. Gonna get started. They're spawning right here. See? Yeah.
Reverse, huh?
Drop it and do it again.
It's all in the legs.
Show me the form again.
Yeah.
Uncle?
Uncle? Little guys are strong, thick. Yeah. Good kelp yet. Oh, wonderful. Give me glow. Nice and solid.
Thick. Beautiful. Those are good ones.
Popper.
Reverse! Reverse! Running it over. Oh, watch the line. Hang on, wait.
Take two.
Yeah.
Go neutral.
Okay, it's on. We got it. This now, guys. Take a breath.
Yeah, they didn't really kick off. But pull them up.
Pull them up. Okay.
Yeah, I'll get the video. Wait.
Oh, there's more.
Yeah, I'll get the next one.
watching.